Hi everybody, this is Beatrice from Bare Unscripted World. Today is a day, my God. Today is International Tea Day and I happen to be attending a function. So a number of tea factories are going to be here. So I'm actually in Kericho right now in Momul factory. So we're about to enter in. So join me as I have the adventure of tea. It's a tea day. Hello. So we are officially here in Momul factory. This is the entrance. It is quite something. Let's enter and enjoy. We are on the ground entering. Oh, it's a wonderful function. It's about to start. Hey, welcome again to International Tea Day. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Hey. Oh my goodness, it's a major function. Hey, this is a international. Hey, hey. This is, hey. Wow, this is wonderful. Wow. There's a lot going on. A lot going on. I just randomly go around, then I come back in. Then I come back right in. So a number of companies are represented here. There's some of them are still setting up. Wow. So there's Calvo there.
You are now making the
People are still setting up. Wow. This is a teapot of Kenya. Wow.
TBK.
Nice. You have variety of teas over here.
Just a few.
Just a few.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you just showcase.
So guys, the function is where we are at Farahari and the Ketepa. There's Galant Technologies here. Ketepa is here. So we are about to enter Fahari tea. Wow, and they have so many flavors. My goodness. We have cinnamon, we have orange, we have Earl Grey, mint. Oh my God, purple. Associated Park, lemongrass, chamomile. Oh my goodness, guys, ginger, lemon, mixed berries, pure hibiscus, apple. Then of course we have the safari tea, chai gold. Oh, amazing. And the ketepa. Hey, ketepa to Maliza. Varieties. My goodness, I want my free sample right here. They look like I just taste. Acha me again. Yeah, you like? Not in days ago. Maragor. Yes. Yes. So Asante. Yes. So tell me about Ketepa. You have many brands.
We have many brands. We have black tea, different grades.
Yes.
We also have infusions, types of infusions. It's caffeine.
Yes. Yes.
We have 6 types of infusions.
Wow.
And we also have purple tea from the purple shrub.
Yes.
Antioxidant.
Wow.
We also have 13 types of flavors.
I love it.
Yeah, we have black tea with flavor.
Wow.
Yeah. That is for someone who likes flavor.
Yes.
We also have green tea.
Green tea.
Like
Oh,
green
yeah.
shrub, but
Yeah.
the oxidation process is not complete as the black tea.
Okay. Now, nice.
We have samples of all the teas.
Oh, yeah, I see
We
them.
have the flavor teas, we have the herbal teas,
Yes.
and we also have the green teas.
Yes. So which one is your best from this flavor? The flavor tea. Which one is your best?
The best flavor for me, I like
Your-
mint or Earl Grey.
Earl Grey has what, by the way? What?
That's the same taste of mint.
What makes it Earl Grey? Because I know mint is to be something minty. But what for Earl Grey? What makes it that taste?
I think it's just a kind of flavor.
Okay. So am I getting a free sample from here?
Yes, we have.
Ujambo rafiki, karibu Lingoni, harufu ya chai inatupa amani, Meza imepambwa, kila mtu ni mwandani, umoja wa roho, sote tusherehekeeni. Ubunifu ni nuru, ujumuishi ni njia, siku ya chai leo, furaha inafikia. Ubunifu kwa ajili ya ujumuishi ya mpya, maisha bora, kila mkulima, kila mnywaji, sote sawa, katika kikombe, umoja unatawala, katika kikombe, umoja unatawala.
Mashamba ya kijani sasa yanabadilika. Teknolojia mpya tena inaongezeka. Lakini tusisahau, sote tuungane, wenye ulemavu na vijana wamke. Ujumuishi ni nguvu, sote tushirikishane, kutoka shambani hadi meza kutufikie. Ubunifu kwa ajili ya ujumuishi ya mpya, maisha bora, kila mkulima, kila mnywaji, sote sawa, katika kikombe, umoja unatawala, katika kikombe, umoja unatawala. Tushangilie chai yetu, tusherehekee maendeleo, twende sote.
Ubunifu kwa ajili ya ujumuishi ya mpya, maisha bora, kila mkulima, kila mnywaji, sote sawa, katika kikombe, umoja unatawala, katika kikombe, umoja unatawala. Heri ya siku ya chai, umoja daima.
We have here Safari Pure Hotel, Pure Tea rather. Toror, Premium Tea, Kashare, PF1 Tegat, which is not far from. Actually, I've been to this factory before. Or Imenti, very nice. Oh wow, there's a variety of. Oh, even the tea is here. This is my hometown, the Tea Factory, KTDA is there. Gere. This is beautiful. This variety, wow. Wow, they have many flavors.
Wako na orthodox.
Wow. What is white silver?
Hii ni speciality. Oh,
This is what
special.
flavor?
Yeah, these are speciality.
So what flavor is this one?
White tea.
Yeah, oh, white tea, meaning oh, it's like this.
White tea first tea.
Oh, nice. So it was plucked and then left to dry for a short while or what?
Yeah, the cabans.
Okay. Oh, nice. How is it? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Is it tasty? Does it taste nice?
Yeah, it tastes nice.
Oh, I can sample. Oh, okay. Hey, let me sample away. You know, Litain is home, so I'm like, let me taste also that one.
You can plain your just like this. You can just take like that. You can just
In Toror Tea Factory. Hey, Toror Tea Factory have their own brands over here. Asante Sana. Hey, the beautiful ladies are here selling. I think they're about to give me free sample. They're about to give me free sample. I'm just looking at this. This is beautiful. Oh, their prices are here, so you can know how much you can get them for. But I don't know. Are you in the supermarket also? Toror. You're in the supermarket. Oh, okay. Sawa. Beautiful. Any tangawizi, since tangawizi is the in thing nowadays, huh? But yeah, anything you want to tell me about your brand, your product, anything? Anything you want to tell me about your tea? Anything you want to tell me about your tea? Yeah.
I think I can just say
It's good. That's it. So we just need to try it. Okay. So we can have free samples in the process.
yeah, the sample.
That's not for consumption. The variety of teas available. PD, PF1, BP1. Maybe you can explain to us this. Yes. Okay. Okay. What? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, so which one is the best quality? Which one to check? It's better to check this one, right?
You can even choose this one.
The best. This one's the best. Okay. And these are the varieties?
Some people take this.
Oh, yes.
Expensive.
Yes. And these are the ones? What are these are the varieties?
The Orthodox.
Oh, Orthodox. Meaning what? When you say Orthodox? Yeah, we have Imenti tea. Imenti Black Orthodox. Wow. Extra tippy. Wow. Nice. Kionyo Tea Factory Limited. They have varieties, a lot of varieties. Wow. Guys, that's East African Tea Trade Association. They are going to keep Chim Jim group of companies. They have a variety of tea. You see in Bogo Valley, oh my goodness, there's Kenyan tea, premium, tangawizi tea, and a variety. Plenty, all the way. Wow. So this is Kim Chim Jim. Okay, good. This is beautiful. I didn't know you guys also do tangawizi tea. Oh, nice. And this other one is what? Oh, this is Pit Potil tangawizi. Oh, Kuresha is still part of you? Wow, all the way. Beautiful. Guys, that's East African Tea Trade Association.
Invite us home and we move from there. Chairman, please come briefly.
Thank you. Let me take this time to welcome all of you
CS Agriculture, BS, and all our guests. Welcome to Momul. Momul is one of the factories which is doing very well in west of Rift and in the whole country. We are happy you have taken your time. We have gone round. I will not say much. I think we said much about Momul when we were in the boardroom. So before I move on, all farmers, our cares, directors, colleagues from other factories, KTDA, you are welcome. Karibuni wakulima. Okazo loto agoti, sisi asimeelewa hiyo lugha. Hiyo utaelewa lugha. Oto agoti kabisa, agongoi amungobwa. So before I go on, let me introduce the management of Momul and directors. And I have 3 farmers, I know you know.
Ingawaje ni Tea Day, we have been complaining there with Waziri that up to now, since we set foot here at Momul, we have not tasted a sip of tea. So how can it be International Tea Day? Na mpaka saa hii tunapewa tu maji na maziwa. So we need tea. Ndio tuseme tuna celebrate International Tea Day. Well, Waziri, I know
hello everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate. That has been a Momul factory, the International Tea Day. What an amazing day. It's been fantastic. So do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like and comment. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.